No.
Okay. Hi everybody, it's Rexanna, and we are in the garden today, and what we're going to do is this is my salad bowl, and it's kind of gotten to the point where we are going to cut it, and it's just right for harvesting. So I'm going to come down, and I'm going to let you come down here with me so you can see. You don't have to pull anything. All you have to do is get you a good pair of scissors, and all you have to do is grab a handful, get you a bowl, and this actually right here is all you need. This is spinach, endive, several different types of salad, and all you're gonna do is grab it. This is why I like to plant in one big. I've got a bucket here. This actually, a little bit of a root come up, just drop it, and you have a perfect salad right here in your back door. You can take it in, wash it again, and continue watering, and it's going to continue to grow. You could do this 4 or 5 times. You can leave it just like this to continue to grow, and you can feed your family just like this. Okay, you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.